Some properties redefine what a waterfront lifestyle can be. Step inside 10,433 Southeast Banyan Way, a custom Mediterranean estate set within the guard-gated community of Heritage Oaks in Jupiter. Built in 2017, this stunning residence offers over 4,600 square feet of living space, including 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a private elevator connecting every level. A grand rotunda entry welcomes you inside, with soaring ceilings and rich hardwood floors flowing throughout. The chef's kitchen anchors the great room, perfect for entertaining, while a temperature-controlled wine cellar and a summer kitchen extend the possibilities for gathering, both indoors and out. Upstairs, the owner's retreat is a private sanctuary, with a spacious master bedroom framed by arched windows and a covered balcony overlooking the water. The spa-inspired master bathroom offers a serene escape, complete with a soaking tub and an oversized walk-in shower, while the expansive master closet provides the kind of storage and organization every luxury buyer is looking for. Outside, an infinity edge, saltwater pool with a cascading waterfall stretches along the water's edge, framed by a covered loggia, a fire pit lounge, and sweeping water views from nearly every room. With 113 feet of navigable water frontage and a private dock with a boat lift, this home is a boater's dream, offering direct access to the Intracoastal and the Atlantic Ocean, with a no-wake zone right from the backyard. Heritage Oaks is a guard-gated community featuring tennis courts and a private clubhouse, all set within the desirable Jupiter and Hobe Sound area of Martin County. Families will appreciate access to top-rated schools. Minutes away, the Atlantic Ocean offers pristine beaches, world-class sport fishing, and charming waterfront dining throughout Jupiter. Golf enthusiasts will find no shortage of championship courses nearby. For those who travel frequently, Palm Beach International Airport is approximately 30 minutes from the front door, with Witham Field and Stewart offering convenient private aviation just a short drive north. Here, it is more than a home, it is your lifestyle. Offered at $7,500,000, this remarkable estate is ready to welcome its next owner. I am Matt Walsh, and if you would like to schedule a private showing of 10,433 SE Banyan Way, please give me a call today at 561-886-8456.